Welcome back to another episode of SeedSpark Sessions. Today we are continuing our discussions around social media and its importance in the world of marketing. 2 weeks ago, we talked to our Director of Marketing here at SeedSpark, Taylor Dolinger, about building better branding and the importance of branding in the world of social media. Last week, we sat down with Chad Jenkins, CEO of SeedSpark, to talk about the CXO perspective on the world of social media, how he uses it, and how he sees other businesses whenever their marketing team is getting to work online. Today, we're talking about something a bit more malicious: phishing on social media. While social media may be one of the most powerful tools of modern communication, there are still plenty of criminals online who can use it to take advantage of unsuspecting users. Much like the more traditional methods, phishing on social media is the act of manipulating someone on a social media platform into revealing sensitive information. This information could share anything from a simple phone number to confidential banking information, potentially even putting you at risk for identity theft. So, how is it done? Fake accounts first and foremost. You feel your pocket vibrate, you check your phone, and you see that your friend Jason has just sent you a friend request and a message with a link to his latest project at work. While the message is a bit odd, he rarely sends anyone private messages, you do remember him posting about his recent work. Weren't you already friends on Facebook? But regardless, you click the link and now your information has been compromised. Unfortunately, the message was not from Jason and the link wasn't to a project. By gleaning relevant details from other social media accounts, a scammer was able to create a new account with a similar username to Jason's, then adding his personal information and profile picture to seal the deal on creating a fake account that would be used to contact Jason's friends, including you, and gain access to their information. On top of that, malicious posts themselves do circulate online. The open nature of platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, and Reddit allow users to widely share anything to anyone, something that can be both a useful tool and an incredible threat. Malicious posts may be loaded with hashtags or even mention users directly, then dropping a link redirecting them to, supposedly, a great deal, some internet drama, or an interesting article. These posts can be quick to catch the eye of anyone who happens to stumble upon them, but can be deadly to personal privacy in just a matter of a few clicks. And finally, one that has begun to emerge in recent years: spamming comments. With live streaming and video becoming an increasingly large part of the online conversation, phishing attackers have developed new ways of finding an audience: the comments section. From the smallest YouTube channels to the most popular live streams, spam bots can regularly be sharing links that redirect to malicious websites. For unsuspecting viewers or those that might not be familiar with the space, it can be easy to mistake these comments for people trying to add to the conversation or share a useful resource during a discussion. Unfortunately, taking a chance on these links can take its toll in a very big way. So, how do you fight back? How do you keep yourself safe? First and foremost, if it's from a friend, reach out directly. If you receive a message from a friend that seems a bit fishy, reach out to them and let them know about the message. This helps you identify legitimate messages and also lets them know if someone is using their name or likeness to swindle people on social media. And of course, the best practice: never click untrustworthy links. If you receive a message that feels like spam, don't click on the link. It can be a challenge for platform holders to constantly moderate their sites with so much content being shared every single second, leading to many malicious posts slipping through the cracks. When browsing online, only click on links that come from trustworthy sources, especially those on social media. Businesses themselves can also be at risk, and one of the best practices is to ensure that your spam folders are working as intended. If a spam message or a phishing message gets through and hits your inbox, be sure to check it as spam and redirect it to the right folder. With machine learning, anything is possible today, and it can ensure that you never receive that style of email again. At SeedSpark, we also add an additional level of security to our email platform, and there are plenty of companies and teams that can make this a reality for you. We partner with IronScales, a self-learning email security platform that stops tomorrow's phishing attacks today, and you can contact our team to learn more. While there are always new digital threats, taking the proper precautions can go a long way in keeping yourself, your friends, and your data safe online. Thanks for taking time to check out this episode of SeedSpark Sessions. If you're new here and you enjoyed what you heard, be sure to subscribe on podcast services, or of course you can find the show on YouTube as well. Links to those pages and our social media channels will be down below, or you can always hit us up on the official SeedSpark website for more information on the topics we covered, or to learn more about the services we offer. But we look forward to seeing you on the next episode.